How to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Temu application in your mobile device and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of the home page and tap on the option that says You. Once you land on your account page, again navigate to the top right corner and tap on the headset icon to access the customer service. So once you're on this support page, you have to scroll down a bit and there is a section that says still cannot resolve the problem, contact us. So tap on the contact us button that will open up the AI Chatbot. So here you can type in remove the minimum order amount. Once you're done typing this, you have to send to the Temu customer service, which is an AI chatbot, and that's going to reply you with some help. Make sure to follow the prompted instructions, and after that you have to confirm when prompted, and then your minimum purchase limit will be removed on Temu. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.